Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, chapter 19, and we are on question number 6th, 3rd and 4th are left. Okay, so homework has been done, and children, which I am explaining in the class is not homework. Alright, it is classwork, so you can check it from the video itself. I have solved it and I show it, so you can directly check it from there. Okay, but if I give homework, that time you have to send it on the WhatsApp. Alright, but classwork completion is extremely important, plus homework whatever will be given, that is also extremely important. Okay, alright, so let's see third one. 3.5 ABC comma 10.5 ABC. So from second term I have to subtract first term. So 10.5 ABC minus 3.5 ABC. Second term minus first term. So rough work is done here. If you are okay with oral, you can do it. So 5 minus 5 0, 10 minus 3 7. Okay, so 7.0, or you can write directly 7 ABC. Fourth one, if you will see, 3 1.5 mn comma 3 8.5 nm. So you can do this one thing. So you can do one thing, instead of converting into improper fraction and then do the subtraction with fractions, let's go with a trick. Half means you all know 0.5. Okay, so 3 and half means 3.5. Here also half, so 8.5. Half, you know, 1 is half means 0.5. Okay, half means 0.5. So 3.5, 8.5. So no need for that longer subtraction with fraction. Okay, so 3.5 mn, 8.5 nm. So mn, nm, it's one like terms. So from second I have to subtract first. So 8.5 nm minus 3.5 mn. So final answer will be 5.0 mn. So subtraction I have shown here. 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 3 5. Okay, so next question is simplify. So the first rule for simplification, question number 7, first rule is that segregate, that is separate all like terms. Okay, and then add or subtract whatever is needed. So you can see here a square b square and a square b square. So 2a square b square plus 8a square b square. So these are being segregated. Then plus 5ab square minus 3ab square. Okay, so you don't have to solve these two separately and these two separately. In one step only you have to segregate them. One on first line, second on other like terms on second line. That is not allowed. Okay, that's not the correct method. It will give you correct answer, but the method is incorrect. So 2a square b square plus 8a square b square plus 5ab square minus 3ab square. So this is one type of like term and this is another second type of like term. Okay, so just arrange accordingly with the same sign. Okay, even if you are rearranging, but signs should be same. So you know that 2 plus 8 is 10. So 10 a square b square. I have seen in the homework which you have sent, sometimes you write only 10, sometimes you write a square b square. No, both or everything you have to write properly. Plus 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3, 2ab square. Okay. Let's see the next example. 4a plus 3b minus 2a minus b. If you'll see 4a and 4a and minus 2a, these are two like terms, and 3b and b are other type of like terms. So arrange them, segregate like terms. So 4a minus 2a plus 3b minus b. Alright. So 4 minus 2, 2a plus 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, so 2a plus 3b. Alright, so same way 2xy, yz, 2xy, see xy minus 6xy. Write them all together. 4yz plus 3yz. Okay, segregate like terms and just solve them. 2 plus 5, 7, right? 7 minus 6, 1. That is nothing I have written, means 1 is there. So xy. and here remaining one 4 plus 3 7, so plus 7yz. This will be the final answer. Okay, so I'm not, so fourth one, if you'll see here, there is only one type of, all are same, all are like terms, a b a b a b a b. So, oh, today it's a little shadow game is going on today. So AB plus 15AB minus 11AB minus 2AB. So AB, AB, AB and AB. So all are one type. So what we'll do is just take AB common. So 1 plus 15 minus 11 minus 2. So 1 plus 15, 16. 16 minus 11, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, so you get this answer. So I'm not explaining fifth and sixth one. If you want, you can just, it's a type of homework which I have given, but I'm not explaining because method is same. So aggregate like terms and do the required addition or subtraction. So fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth are homework, and ninth is also homework. Okay, 10th. So you have to solve all these by yourself. I have solved. I am showing it also wherever you wherever if it is required, you can go through this video and then you can just find it out. I'm not explaining all. You have to solve it. Okay. But still, in case if you have any doubt, you can just send me. Now. Okay. So for today, this is now a few tips. Tips in the sense, few things which I wanted to talk with you were, for example, when you write, when you are sending homework on WhatsApp, what is going on is you are missing steps. How you are missing steps is, you write, suppose this is the step. So what you write is, you write only 13. Sometimes you write only PQR, you forget this 13. In answer, suppose if it is, suppose answer is 2AB, you either write only 2 or you write only AB. This is wrong, children. Whatever is required completely, that has to be written properly. And one more thing, avoid writing cursive in algebra. Means if ABCs, they do not write like this, writes like this. That will be better. This is not wrong, but this is appropriate. Okay. So follow this and do not use, if ABCs, they do not write ABC. Okay, so use only small letters. Alright. So I hope everything is going on well. Your results will be out soon. I have checked. I have entered your marks in computers in school. List is not with me, but we'll see. Okay. So those who have scored, there are few those who have scored better in the sense they have scored out of 50 they have got, and there are also few those who have really got less marks. They have to work hard. Okay, you'll come to know very soon. We'll meet soon. Thank you so much.